Now, the winner of excellence in the maintenance and management of assets, including routine maintenance projects, is CORDE, Contract 1943, District Road and Drainage Maintenance 2020-2023. CORDE has held the Waimakiriri Road maintenance contract for the last 27 years and built up a loyal local team to service this contract. The company values of CORDE, based around family, trust and teamwork, are evident, and this is the way they manage and deliver their contract. Training and development in CORDE is key to the ongoing relationship with Waimakiriri District Council, ensuring staff working on their network are suitably skilled. Whilst in its infancy, CORDE is identifying areas that it can work on to reduce its carbon footprint as part of its sustainability strategy. Underpinning all the aspects associated with the successful delivery of this contract is the collaborative framework in which the contract is managed and administered, resulting in a win-win relationship with both the contractor and the client. Well done, CORDE.
Thanks very much. It's awesome. Really proud of everyone who's contributed to this, and just want to say thank you to the Waimak team that are already up here with us, which is fantastic. Great to work with you guys. You're amazing, and such a dedicated crew of people that works tirelessly for their district. Thank our team. Some of them up here, some of them can't because of COVID. Just such another loyal team that just works so hard, and over the last few weeks have just been out night after night, day after day, trying to keep the area in the best condition it can be. And also to CCNZ for doing these awards. It's fantastic to be able to gather like this. It's just amazing. I didn't really come from the industry. I've only been in here a little over 10 years. And I've been in a number of these award dinners and associations, and I would say that I've never been in an association that delivers billions of dollars every year and together. If I think about all of the people that are here, billions of dollars being spent and delivered every year, and I think that's a strength of this organisation, CCNZ, and for all of us. And we've got to remain confident and strong that we deliver the backbone of New Zealand. And I think everybody should be really proud of that. So thank you for the award. Kia kaha, kia maia, kia mana wanui. Thank you.